So, I originally wasn't gonna record this, but he was like far away originally, and I went up to him, I got kicked, I rejoined, he got closer, so I'm gonna record this just to see what happens. Oh, he's far again. He was like, yeah, he was over there, or wait, no, he was like slightly closer originally, and he was like right here the second time. What the f*** Glisten? You want that chicken from here? You want that chicken from here? There's a reference, by the way. Glisten? What the f*** is that in the background? No, hold on, let's see. What, Glisten, what was that? Why are you T-posing, sir? Okay, maybe I followed this. Hey, Glisten. What's up, dude? Oh, what the fuck? No, what the fuck? No, oh, no. What is that? Glisten? Glisten, you want that chicken from here? You want that chicken from here? I am extremely confused. I'm gonna try that again, except not breaking eye contact. Oh, Glisten, what happened to your eyes, sir? Glisten? Oh! Yeah, I am extremely confused, so I don't know what to do, and... Okay, I'm going to try that again. The reason I keep saying chicken here, guess who I'm watching? Guess what episode I'm watching? The chicken here episode of You Are Super Cereal. By the way, no, they are not for children. They swear. Okay, Glisten, be a good boy. Okay. What the chicken over here? Oh, what is that? Scraps? Scraps, you good? Listen, what's going on with... Did Scraps get... Did you give Scraps catnip? What happened? Did you give Scraps catnip? Scraps? Yeah, that's Scraps. What the chicken over here? Ignore that. Ignore that. Absolutely ignore that. Anyways, I don't know what I'm supposed to do next. Oh, wait, what if I go over here instead? What if I go over here? You want that chicken from here? Oh no. He's getting closer. What the fuck? Chicken over here. Listen, bad boy. Bad Glisten, bad mirror. No. What? Dude, I'm actually scared as fuck. Chicken over here. What the fuck? Chicken over here. Censoring this is gonna be real fun. Did he move? Did he? No, I swear he's moving when I move my camera. What the fuck? Chicken over here. Listening. No, he actually is. A sandwich? You want that chicken over here? Bad boy. No, bad Glisten. Glisten? assume if I let him get to me, it's just gonna do the same thing. Does the amount of time I change my camera matter? No, I don't think it does. Okay, glisten. Oh. I'm moving my camera too fast for him to even move an inch. What the fuck?
Chicken on here, huh?
Oh no. I don't like this. I'm gonna go over here. Glisten? I love how R&D. Oh! I love how R&D's just like, yeah, this is fine. Oh no, it does matter. 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 Oh no. I'm scared. I don't like this. I think I'm just gonna watch someone play this instead, so I'm just gonna let him get to me. Listen, you good, bud? You want that chicken hojita? You want that chicken hojita? Oh! Bad boy. Bad boy, glisten. Glisten? You want that chicken hojita? Oh no. I love how I believe Razzle is just like, yeah, this is fine. Okay, I'm so dead. Oh! I literally saw him move. What the fuck? You want that chicken hojita? Ah!
Chicken on here, huh?
That scared me. Jeez. I don't think my recording is capturing it, but when you die, there's like there's some music and it scared the fuck out of me. This is gonna be real fun to censor. Real fun. Anyways, I'm just gonna watch someone play this because this is way too scary for me. If you want to play this, it is called Glisten's Awakening, as you can see here. I'm gonna follow this person just to hope they don't send Glisten to my house and I get murdered in the middle of the night. Anyways, so yeah.